Hey guys, let's try Popeyes chicken tenders. Surprisingly, I've never tried their chicken tenders, only their pieces of chicken and their wings, which was great. I got my food, now let's go home and try. I got my food, which looks gorgeous. Looks spicier than the hot wings. I chose bold BBQ as my dipping sauce. Wow, it's delicious and spicy. Overall, I thought that the tenders was nice and spicy. Paired with the bold BBQ, heaven. My only complaint is that the price was £11 and 49 pence for 8 chicken tenders, which isn't the best price in South London. Altogether, I'm very satisfied.